All right, now today I am installing this new RV recliner set. It came in 4 boxes into this Winnebago Itasca Navion on a Sprinter frame. You can see it comes in 4 boxes. And I've removed 2, and they're easy fit right through the door. And they're wrapped, and there's one piece out of the bag. And I'm going to do assembly. I also bought 2 little 7.5-inch end tables based on my measurements. These have USB outlets and so forth, and they're all going to be strapped down. I bought some straps. I'm going to strap this all in to this slide out here. So here's an overview as we get started. Okay, now I'm not going to go through installation because what you purchase will have its own install instructions, but I do want to show you where we're at so far. Now I have the 2 central seats and connected together here in the center, and let me get back and try to give you a broader view. And I've got them posted with the frame on the lip of the slide out, leaving me room for reclining. Now they tell you in this particular setup that you need a minimum of 6.5-inch, which we have more than that, considering that box was 7 inches. And what I've got here is I'm going to be basically using a bracket, and I'll show you. Here's a bracket I'm going to use. I'm going to bolt that to the floor on each side. Then I will put the arms on, and then to be sure, I'm going to go up under the slide out, and I'm going to use these straps, a couple of these, and I'm going to secure with these Velcro straps these seats also. Once I've done that, then I'll be able to slide the arms on. Now for the little end tables, same process. I will use the existing screw holes where the dinette was, and using these Velcro straps here, same thing. I'm going to secure them to the wall so that when we go down the road, these things aren't jumping everywhere and they'll stay in place. And as you know, you have an outlet already at your dinette. These are USB outlets, so I can just plug in and power devices from here. Then what I'm considering is, once this is installed, I may put me in an adjustable table here that can be swung in and out for like a dinner table. So this is where I'm at so far, and I'll get you another shot when we're complete. Now, since I don't want to drill a bunch of new holes, you can see I'm using existing where the dinette came out, and I'm just going to use a strap and strap the table in. I'll put one in the bottom, center, bottom, and top, and that'll more than secure it, I'm sure. All right, you can see I put one in the top, center, and bottom. It's in there. It ain't going nowhere. And I'll plug this in, and it has outlets here to charge stuff. So she's in. Now, as you see, I've put this plate in with some self-tapping screws I've sunk here in the base, and then here into the side to attach this and hold it down. Then I will come in underneath with some more of those Velcro straps too. I'll do this on each side, then put the armrest on. All right, now this is final installation, and when I originally measured, I measured 74 1/8 for my width opening. And so when I put this in, I came to a center point of just over 37 inches on each side to make sure I was centered. And I did go ahead and decide to bring it to the lip. And I did put the end tables in the back, and I showed you how I strapped those into place. I guess I could have moved them up some, but I'm still considering maybe putting something here I've got to put caps anyway on these bolts that come up through the flooring. But I left some clearance in the back so they recline. Now this is with the slide in, so when it goes out, there's going to be plenty of room in here. But this is the final installation. Alrighty, and again, now this is an 08 Itasca Navion, but anybody with an RV that wanted to do some renovation work, I did buy this on AliExpress, shipped from the US, but it was cheaper, and looks like decent quality. For the price I've got it, I can replace it, I'm sure, several times if I need to. But not too difficult of an installation, pretty straightforward. I showed you how I secured it. And so, thanks for watching. All right, I thought I'd do one more quick overview with the slide out now. As you can see, there's plenty of room here now. And it has the full recline feature. And I did come in and put more straps on the front end here and bolt them down under the front end lip to keep it secure as we go down the road. But yeah, I'm very satisfied with the result. Alrighty, once again, thanks for watching.